In Islam, we are taught there are two aspects. One is the figure and two is the blessings. Sometimes there is the best of both. You have a person who managed to give so much and it is filled with blessings. A lot will be achieved. But sometimes someone cannot give that much, but it is filled with blessings. Which is more important, the figure or the blessing? Wallahi, in our deen, we are taught that the blessing is more important. When you earn, ask Allah for blessings before you ask Him for figures. Today we ask for figures before we ask for blessings. The blessings will come, don't worry, first give me the figure. MashaAllah. May Allah give us the best of both. رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ. My brothers and sisters, when we have been giving or receiving and we are void of blessing, it is only because of the first word that I told you at the beginning of this khutbah. We don't have a connection with Allah. That's why. It is impossible for someone not to be blessed when he has a connection with Allah. He is happy even if he has 0 naira. Even if he has nothing, he is content. Do you know why? There are blessings in his life that are priceless. He has something that no value can be attached to. It is the relationship with Allah.